Next question is from Nitin. He is asking, is there some impact on latency when guardrails are applied? Let me answer that question as part of my 1 minute question answer, Nitin. Answer is yes, there would be impact of implementing guardrail. Why? Because you are changing the flow for your request and response. In standard workflow, when you do not have a guardrail, your user sends a request, model runs the inference, and response is given back to you. But now, when you implement a guardrail, your request goes to the guardrail input check. Once it is filtered out, then it goes to model for inferences, and afterward, when model generates output, you will again be having output being checked, and then the response is given back to the user. So we have additional 2 steps which will obviously add some latency. Now, your latency would also be influenced by the payload size which you are inputting. If you are sending a small payload, expect less latency. A bigger payload, more time required for guardrail to verify things. It will take more time for the response. So basic guardrails will be having less response impact, less latency, but your advanced guardrail like PII detection, custom lambda logic, they would take their own time. And if you have multi-steps guardrail like input and output moderation, comprehend is happening behind the scene through Amazon services, and that's where latency would be increased. So yes, there would be impact of latency when you are implementing guardrails, but it can be minimized by applying best practices.